everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I'm here with another crochet tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the front loop single crochet stitch. It's super easy and it gives this nice seedy texture on the pattern. It looks really similar to the seed stitch in my opinion, but it's super easy to achieve. So without further ado, we're going to jump into the tutorial. So here I have chained 10. You can chain in any increment that you'd like. After all, we are only working in single crochet here. So what I'm going to do for this first row is to single crochet into the second chain from my hook. So not the one on it, not this one, but the next one over. I'm just going to do a regular row of single crochets. Alright, and that is row 1. For row 2, we are going to chain 1 and turn our work. And we are going to skip this single crochet where our chain 1 is coming out of. And we are going to work into what is technically the second stitch, which is here. Okay? And we are actually going to be looking at the top of this chain, or these single crochets rather. So you guys know that single crochets, or really any crochet stitch, the top of them look like these little V's, and you have the back loop and you have the front loop that's toward you. So assuming that this side is the front of our work, we want to work into the loop that is closest to us. So we are going to do that. And some people, you know, they go under this loop here, or some people go behind it. Whichever is easier for you, it doesn't really matter. Some people might say you're twisting your stitches. It doesn't actually matter. But you're going to insert your hook into that front loop, and you are just going to make a single crochet like that. Alright, and we're going to do that again. We're looking at the top of our single crochet row, and we are going to identify this one that is closest to us, insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and single crochet as we normally would. It's just that easy. And we're going to do that all the way across our row. This makes me think of the opposite of the camel stitch, if you're familiar with that stitch. I did a tutorial on that some years ago back on the channel. Same concept, just different loop. Alright, and getting that last little stitch there. Alright. And this is what we have so far on this side, and then on the other side, this is what it looks like. So it's kind of reversible, honestly. The front side looks kind of plain to me, but then the back side, which is probably actually the front side, it gives you this little ridge on the back. So just depends on which side you want to use. But alright, now we're going to chain 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to chain 1, we're going to turn our work, and we're going to do the exact same thing. The cool part about this stitch is that it is a 1 row repeat. So we are going to, again, skip this first stitch that our chain 1 is coming out of, and we're going to work into the front loop of that next stitch with a single crochet. This stitch is a fun and beginner way, I think, to add a little texture to your projects if that's something that you're looking for as a new crocheter. and that is row 3. So you would continue working in the front loop only in every row until you get the length of your project that you desire. Alright, and that is how you single crochet in the front loop only. I hope today's video was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up down below. You can leave me a comment. It really helps the video out with the algorithm and all that jazz. You can check my channel for more crochet content. I typically post crochet videos on Sundays at 9:30 a.m. CST. So if you haven't subscribed and hit that notification bell already, you should do so you don't miss out on awesome future content. And also check out my blog for other helpful tips, tricks, and also some crochet patterns, and sign up for the newsletter so you don't miss out when those things drop. And until next time, guys, happy making.